Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a missing Wi-Fi option in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services you just need to find WLAN auto config service. Just double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and select apply and OK. Now right click on the service and select restart. After doing it, do the same thing for network connection service. Just double click on it, startup type set to automatic and select apply. If the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it and select OK. Right click and select restart. And another one service name is Windows Update. Just double click on it, startup type automatic and select apply. If it is stopped, then start it and select OK and just restart the service. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. In device manager, you just need to expand the network adapter section. Right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select update drivers, select or search automatically for drivers. After getting update done, check if the problem solved or not. If not, then right click on it and select uninstall device. After uninstalling this Wi-Fi driver, you just need to close tab here and restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the correct driver. After getting restart done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, go to search menu and type network reset, click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes and reset your network settings. After that, just close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot settings, click on open it. On right side, select other troubleshooters. Now select the network and internet troubleshoot to run. You just need to follow the on-screen instruction and this will help you to fix the problem guys. You are connected to the internet, we didn't find any problems with your network. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.